So this is a circuit diagram for our project for controlling an electronic device using Jarvis. The device I will be using for this project is a light bulb, as you can see right here, but you are free to use electric fan or any other kind of electrical devices if you want. The decision is totally yours, as it will not impact the working mechanism of this project as long as you make the right connections here and connect the positive wire and negative wire correctly. So from this diagram we can see that we are using two voltage source, DC voltage source right here and AC voltage source. DC voltage source will be provided to Arduino Nano at V in pin and to our relay module at VCC pin, which you can see right here, this one, and ground of Arduino and relay module will be connected to the negative side of DC supply. Now our AC voltage source will be connected to our electronic bulb and to our relay module. So the negative wire of light bulb, which is usually black in color, will be connected directly to our AC voltage. Now the positive wire of light bulb will be connected to our relay module at normally open pin. Since we are using the relay 1 of our relay module, that's why it will be connected to NO1, which stands for normally open for input 1. Now the common pin of relay 1 will be connected to our AC voltage source. So all our power supplies are connected. Now the only thing that remains is the connection between the Arduino Nano and relay module. Since we want to send signal from our Arduino Nano to our relay module and we want it to operate accordingly, whether it want to turn on the normally open pin or not. So for this we will connect the D3 pin of Arduino Nano to the input 1 pin, since we are using the relay 1 of the module. So we will connect it to the input 1 right here, as you can see right here. Now for the Python commands, we will connect our Arduino Nano to the communication port of our computer. So now if we talk about the working mechanism of our circuit, so first of all, we will send the command from the Python shell on our computer to our Arduino Nano. Arduino will already have the code installed on it that will enable it to understand what the command means and how to act. So based on that command, Arduino will decide whether the D3 pin will be on or off, whether it will be high or low, and then it will send the signal to our relay module. Now depending upon the input 1 right here, the relay will decide whether normally open pin will be on or off, and the light bulb will act accordingly, whether it will turn on or not. So this is the circuit diagram for our project. Now let's move on to the next section for our hardware assembly.